It's that time for our annual trip, and this year we're headed to Budapest. Chris and I met in Philadelphia for our American airline flight. It was about a 9-hour flight and very comfortable. We arrived in Budapest about 8 a.m. Once we arrived, we went through customs smoothly, got our bags, and got some forint, Hungarian money at the ATM at the airport. And we're like locals. We took the bus and the train to our Airbnb, which was a total of about, say, an hour, but very easy and comfortable to do.
Hey friends, we made it to Budapest. Not Budapest, Budapest. But we are here and I am standing on our balcony and it is a beautiful building. It's a aristocratic building by the Dreher family, the beer people. Remember them? Well, anyway, this was their building and it is gorgeous. So I will give you a tour later. But look at this. We are in the center city. So we're close. The metro is like 10 steps away. We have grocery stores, we have the restaurant, we go down to the Danube River, we have everything here. And here's we have two balconies. Here's my balcony and Chris has his balcony. Let's see where he has a balcony. And behind me is the cutest street. Look at that. And so and you turn this way and that's the street. And we did do an Airbnb and I love it. And our host was gracious and very friendly and fun to meet. So made us feel comfortable. So it's been a great experience. And we are like locals. So we caught the bus to the train, it was very simple and I'm used to that anyway. Chris is too. And so the thing is, luggage honey pack light, they had these stairs, but I'm here a month, so it took a little bit more, but my bag is still light, so I was able to carry my own bag because there's no mercy. You carry your own bags up all the steps and down the steps. But it was cool, but pack light. And I'm coming into our apartment, which is very nice, and I'll give you a tour later. But thank you all for the well wishes. We made it here safely and we look forward to getting out here and exploring. And let me show you, if I can, the beautiful ceiling. I mean, it's how do I do this? Look at that ceiling. Oh, I love the high ceilings. And when you open our front door, it's to the courtyard. And it's so beautiful. And I'll show you. And I wish I like to, but I can't leave the doors all open and everything, but it's so nice. Okay, well, we are going to get freshened up and explore, but thank you so much for your well wishes, and we look forward to sharing our experiences, coming back to you live. Peace. Here's entering our front door of our Budapest apartment. It's not Budapest, it's Budapest. And, there's the door. And unlock it like this. But I would love to leave it open and just let the air flow through. And here is one bedroom here. Mirror. Here's the closet. This is Chris' room. And here's my room. Look at those colors. I love the colors. And he has his own bathroom as well. So here is this. And then you have, of course, you get the full-length mirror. I need that. Then you have, come over here. And here's my bathroom. Ooh. 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 I'm gonna be fresh. Here's this, and here's the shower. So we go back out, and I am going to show you as you come out of the bedroom. Come in here, it's a foyer. Look at this. Look at those ceilings. Look at that. Come out. And here's the second bathroom with the washer and dryer. Let's turn this on. It's right here, and the shower is back here. And you come out, and you have another little walkway here. And everything is contained. So in this white, here we have, I'll do my tour. We have all our microwave, hot plate type of stove, and everything is under here. Dishwasher, refrigerators, that door. Look at Chris on the Wi-Fi. And look at these ceilings. Oh my gosh. Look at this. We have two balconies, this one and that one. And so, and we have a TV. You know, I need my TV for Hungarian news. You are crazy. And you come over here. We have a mirror here. Big one too. Over here. Here's another balcony up here, but I'll go over here to this one. Since it's open, we're gonna have the balconies open. Here's our espresso machine. We're gonna use that. And we come outside. And here's the balcony. Very cute little balcony chair. Welcome to our Budapest abode. Yay.
Once we got settled, it was time to hit the streets and tour the neighborhood in our downtown historical district. The architecture and the buildings are so beautiful, and up the street was an Aldi's. So we had a grocery store, and I love grocery stores, especially in different countries, because you can go in and see the different delicacies, treats, and delights that they have. We discovered a wonderful bottle of wine, and that they also have Lay's, but hot chicken wings. Later on, we toured St. Elizabeth Square. We saw the beautiful St. Stephen's Basilica in the glow of the lights, and a welcome Hello Hungary sign.